Who cough? China poppling? Na me cough. Una dey mad? Una dey crazy? What? I'm not well, go ask question, I be Sanko tested. Because I be here shirt punk me for you. Una think I don't know what I dey do. Una not see what they write for the university gate. Say allow the university to pass through you. Not be only you go pass through the university. What did they work una? I go bust una score for this thing. Get the fuck out of this place, mama! Get out! Go for this place. You're just unimaginable. Get your punish you!
Can we remove this now? Now me they run this campus. Who beats you? Go be for you. You mad. I'll punish you. Now me be the rugged lecturer. Nobody goes. You didn't whine. I go warn you, but no panic. Do anything, you go collect water.
Please don't kill me now, please now. So please don't kill me now. Madam, I beg when I come home. Please don't kill me now. Please, no, don't kill me, madam.
Where is your madam?
Inside, madam!
Will you quiet?
Yes, sir.
You know your madam is a mad woman. Kerosene don't finish for her.
Yes.
So you do madly.
Yes.
Like this will dead fit you.
I'm gonna beg now. Please don't kill me now, please. Please don't kill me.
Dagger. Fall inside our house. Drag any human being where you see. And as for that idiot, drag him out. You could disembark come up for here.
The use police in getting us. I will rule.
dare you slap her? Do you want to die? You have not spent up to 2 weeks as a lecturer in this private university. Is this what you want to do? Endanger your life? Do you know who Barbara Odefe is in this school?
I don't care. I don't want to know if her father owns this school. Mr. HOD, can I go?
You are playing with your life. I can see you are playing with your life, young lady. That girl is the leader of the most dreaded cult in this university.
Red Sea. I'm aware. I know much about her. And I will flog her till she pees on her pants if she dares me next time.
Now listen. Many lecturers have lost their lives, especially those that crossed our paths. Do not disappoint me because this is not what I expected of you.
Mr. HOD, did you hear me when I said she threw a paper at me?
You should have reported.
Report and say I am mad. Report my fellow woman. You know what? I really don't have much words to say to you right now. I have to go. Sorry.
Philomena! I'm still talking! It's alright.
Ekedi, where are you? Come out! Come out! Where are you? Ekedi! Someone dared me. A lecturer dared me today. I want to drink her blood. And I swear by my last breath, I must drink her blood. Where are you? Baba, what is it? What happened? Who dared the daughter of a lioness? Speak! A female lecturer did, Mother. Mother, a female lecturer dared me. Mother, an ugly, looking, stupid, dirty lecturer dared me. And I want her blood. I want her dead. She had the guts, the effrontery, the temerity to slap me and throw me out of the classroom. What? Is she mad? Is she mad? My child, my only child. Didn't you tell her that you're the wind of evil and good? The death that everyone fears. The dragon, the red sea that swallowed everything that has breath. Mother, I do not have that time. There was no time. And that's why I had to drive all the way from the campus to this place to do my mind. Kill her. Kill her! Kill her and send her to an early grave where everyone that had dared you is. Kill her! Not yet, Mother. I want her to run mad. I want her to go completely insane. I mean raving mad. No penance, no bra. Then she will die. Mother, I need an insanity mystical ring. Enough is enough. I want her gone, Mother. Wait for me. Your university will lose another lecturer that has dared you. Hurry up, Mother. There is no time. Say Queen! Red and bloody! Say Queen! Red and bloody! Say Queen! Forget it is my identity!
You need to leave the campus now. You need to vanish. There is fire on the mountain, ma.
Uche, have you collected your assignment? Did I ask you to?
Ma, I said there is fire on the mountain. Baba and her gang are looking everywhere for you. You need to vanish. In fact, you need to leave the state completely. Forget about this assignment you are talking about.
You dey mad? Something they work you for brain. Do I look like a soft lecturer? Where is your assignment?
Baba and her girls.
Get out of this place this minute. Get out!
My father, the CEO. I mean, the owner of Auburn Private University in this very state. Your boss. Chief Dr. Wilson Okoye Keynes. Your boss, the billionaire himself. The only fine rich man in this world that I've ever seen. I mean to say is that you are nothing but a puppet lecturer working for my father. And I'm your student under the Department of Mass Communication. You had the guts, the audacity to fail me and make mockery of me in front of every hopeless and stupid student in this school.
Some of you have not defined the actual reason why you're in this institution. Judging from your test results, it's obvious you all are not taking your studies seriously. 70% of you scored 0 in your test. I'm talking about the likes of Barbara Odefe, Queen Wilson, and hosts of others I don't want to mention. You all need to be very careful. If you don't sit up and take your studies very seriously, I assure you, you're not going to pass the exam either by hook or by crook. And trust me, I am not going to have mercy on any student that fails. You must take your studies seriously. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Get out of my office.
I've seen your time before. 350,000 naira to erase that nonsense mark you dented my test with. Listen, lecturer, I can't. I can't score 0. The queen of the campus can't score 0 at all. Do you know who I am? Do you know who my father is? My father owns this very institution. And you must do as I say. My girls and I are here to warn you. My CGP shouldn't go below 4.0. Good maths. That's right.
Young lady, you will repeat this course if you continue to display your stupidity and empty brains before me. I don't care who you are. I don't care where you emanated from. I don't want to know who your father is. I do not care about your pedigree. I love my job. And I love to teach students. And you all have no choice but to obey me.
Benwell son. For this campus. You get mind though. See, teacher know they too make noise here.
Just pipe low, calm down. Let's do this. Woman to woman conversation. I'll handle it. I understand that your duty, advice and cautions. I also understand that you need money. Yeah, it's written all over you. I'll give you 2 million naira. Do as I say.
You must be very stupid. Do I look hungry to you? If you all don't leave my office now, you will push me to do something unimaginable to you.
Mr. Lecturer, you know when they calm down because you don't talk too much. You won't collect. We will run enter you. See this one though.
Queen of campus, they talk to you. They speak English. Madam, calm down, may they help your life.
Calm down.
Hook off. China Poplin.
Nami cough.
Una dey mad. Una dey crazy. What? I'm not well. Who ask question? I be Sanko tested. Because I be here punk me for you. Una think I don't know what I do. Una not see what they write for the university gate. Say allow the university to pass through you. Not be only you go pass through the university. What did they walk now? I got boss on our score for this thing. Get the fuck out of this place, mama! Get out! Not for this place!
You're just unimaginable.
Punish you!
How dare you walk me out of my father's office? My father's property. You did mad.
You get mine though.
I am talking to you. What did they smoke? Who be your plug? You did crazy. And because now they wear human hair. Do you know who I am? I can make your life miserable in a sec. If you even write your obituary right now,
Yes,
I'm not capping.
They call you lecturer, you dey oof, you dey spread, you dey meant. See, we dey shoot oh. We dey kill everything killable, we dey do anything doable. No. See, because I will never buy you. That make we dey talk to you, school face, they look us, who you be? That lecturer you be, no be God. They can tell you.
If you nitwits don't get out of my way, you will not be opportuned to regret this nonsense.
Hey, it is the audacity for me. Die it there! Mr. Lecturer said, die it! What did they do you? Eh? Who they talk, they speak English. That's who you be.
Babes, they say too much capping is not a full basket. That one don't mean say we not get action.
What did this kid say out of the car?
You're just so calm and so adorable.
Thank you, Uche. Uche, right?
Yes, Uche. You can call me Ochman.
Why are you stalking me? Just go ahead and hit it. You've been coming close lately. What is it?
Uche, cost rep, Abby.
Yes, Uche. Oh, you want to get the handout? You know, there are handouts for different lecturers. There's one for Mr. Okonkwo.
Begin the march.
What do you mean, begin the match? What are you trying to say? What did I do?
Oh, please, begin the march. Begin the march. What did it do?
Nonsense! See, babe, I beg help us call your father here. Explain to him what is going on here. How dare she? That lady must be fired. Yes!
The one where they bust my head like this, they say. Lecturer carry gun. Now we say she carry gun be the problem. She carry pump ashwa. Lecturer.
Oh no.
Hey.
Allegedly, she wants to kill me. Like, she wants to kill the daughter of Auburn University.
The gods.
I'm not going to let that slide.
At all.
She must pay. No way.
Fuck.
know what? I'm just gonna call my dad.
No. Better.
No. Babes, wait. Just chill. Are you forgetting something? You also pulled out a gun. And so? Both of you are even. You bring that gun, she bring that gun. I won't make her. Guy, calm down, make her
talk.
Don't
invest me. No, they talk like that. That's for self-defense. And a lecturer has no right at all to bring gun to school. A rifle for that matter.
And what about the students?
Oh, so she thinks she had the right to threaten students with a rifle? Because she's a lecturer?
No. Babes, please. Take a chill pill, right? I'm calling my daddy right away.
Please do.
Hello? This is not the right time to call. I'll speak to you later, okay? I say, this is not the right time. You should understand that. Better.
Honey, who was that?
That was Kamara.
Is there any problem?
No, actually, nothing serious. Come on, we'll be late. Huh? Let's go. Where's Friday?
What is it, babe? What does he say?
I think I have a better way to handle this. Queen, excuse me.
Are you sure about it?
Queen, don't do something stupid. Queen! See, I don't understand you.
See, and your own eye, they even...
You know, say this is for that lecturer. She carry gun too.
Guy, relax. You see, for that lecturer, she go collect. They worry you now. So you expect me to get just day like that? That's a pull-out pump action. No be... Nah, you dey fuck up, oh.
I don't even know.
You dey fuck up.
Me, I don't even understand you. They push her enter fire. You don't forget, say she self carry gun and lecturer carry gun, and they tell her make she make call. If you backfire and call.
But I need a year of self-defense. That's why you go just stand and just waste your life anyhow because you too dull. See, you go arrange yourself, oh guy. But you see for that lady, she go collect. She go collect wetin no good. So that next time, if she see us, they come straight like she just follow corner.
But like this is like this. This one bring her gun. What is this one shoot? Person come by. Wetin I for tell my mother?
So now your brain they calm down. When they talk, why did you do that? See, you go to mind yourself. Or if not, me and you will soon enter. We dey on guard 247. Now, unless say now you lose guard, but this your talk where you dey yarn and the thing just they bust my head. You go to talk like that.
I want to have you in my house right now. Listen, you can be my boyfriend and allow me cry like this. Babes, this is a huge slap on my face. Do you understand what I'm saying? A lecturer dared me. And she must be dealt with. Good. She will not get away with this. She's just a lecturer. Who are you? What the hell do you think you are? What are you made of? I run the street. She threatened me and she humiliated me before every other person. When you let that happen, I'll make sure you pay. It's a promise. I run things and things don't run me.
Babe, how far?
What's up now?
Babes, calm down. I know say una gun me like chewing gum. But you see this case, I mount her like Mopo.
See, babe, your dad need to do something about this. I mean, no one step on your toes and go scot-free like this now. It's not possible.
Don't go. Where are you? Good. I want you to journey and bed immediately in my room. All right.
Babe, is everything okay? Is everything all right?
The show is up. Dress up and leave.
Caesar. Why? Did I do anything wrong?
Get dressed and leave.
Okay, fine. I'll leave. You know you can call me anytime.
What did they saw? Because me, I know they understand. On a normal, you see this woman what they talk about, not supposed to be breathe by now.
Do you get?
Because this matter small for what we don't do. You know what we don't do. You know the matter now. You know what we don't run. Babes, is this something you're not telling us? Because me, I don't understand. I know you. I know what you can do. What's going on? Talk to us.
I said take a chill pill. That's it.
Relax.
I'm on it.
Oh, Mom.
What did happen? Because me, I want to know.
Just relax.
Who be lecturer?
You know, say I get your medicine. So chillax. Handle this one first. Use and the push body they go. You don't understand. Do your normal. Calm your mind down. Your mind. What a lady go take.
Me, I know what's not the talk. That lady no rich. I don't know why we waste time.
The white person for you.
We're getting there. We're almost there.
Wait, Uche, what's up now? Now the lecturer house be this. And what's in the shop now? Why you killing me food for here?
I don't know, but that's her house. That's her house now.
Shit. Don't cast. Guy, you don't cast. Who call it come this place now? What's up? Girls, I don't care. Police or not, I am going inside that house. Who is the police to stop me? They will not try. They won't even dare. How dare they? That lecturer, she must go down today. Today!
See, Queen, just be calming down. Just calm down. Eh? You see this movement? If you not do it today, you go still stop tomorrow. There are numerous ways to kill a rat, and you yourself know that one. You yourself know say, if you escape him, if anything stop, we yourself no go escape him. Eh, I beg.
See, I know who is behind this. Now, Queen. Queen, don't call him Papa. Carry a kelebe con scatter for you. Abi? Just shut it. Queen will not dare cross me. She won't cross my path. Besides, Queen's father, he's not Chief Wilson.
See, Barbara, you say if you know say Queen our greatest enemy. So. Now our confirmed enemy, see, the best thing now me will just pilot this car now and move from here. We go come back later, I beg. I beg you.
If I make sense, so see Queen, I beg reason them. Reason them, I beg.
Shit! I know who did this. Yes, I know who did this. It's not Queen.
What if? Eh,
So this lecturer, she don't arrange herself. Scatter everywhere.
Trust me, she's not the one. I know who did this. Let's go.
Please, please.
Okay, shut up. So now you want to set us up, Abby? Eh?
And this guy know what
you want.
Mr. CP, I saw your men at my gate. I really appreciate, but I don't think I'm in any form of danger. Yes, sir, I'm perfectly fine. But if there's a situation I cannot handle, I will definitely let you know. All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
What is the need of this? How did you guys get into my office? And what are you doing here?
Mr. Edo, have I ever offended you in this school?
Barbara, believe me, I don't understand what you are talking about. I did not call any police to safeguard her place. I did not!
But we saw you making a phone call to the police commissioner.
Okay, Barbara, let me explain. He called according to instruction, but I didn't tell him anything. I did not.
Don't you dare lie to me. Who called the police? You know me too well. And you know my mother much better. Don't dare me. Start talking.
I swear I wasn't the one. Believe me, it wasn't me.
Don't you dare lie to me. Don't you freaking play me. My mother did you real good. And this is how you repay us? By betraying us?
Please, believe me, I did not.
Mama, this man, they waste our time now. No be to run enter him. No time.
Yes, let's see, okay. See, on one leg now, eh?
But you need to understand.
Come on, let's see, okay. God, I don't cap nothing. Okay. Come on, gently. For your own good, Joe.
Please.
No. Allow him.
Please.
Allow him.
Please.
Oh, welcome.
Please don't kill me.
To join me. No one wants to kill you, okay. Mr. Idaho, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, did you enjoy the race?
Yes. Good.
Would you like to run more?
No, ma'am, I'm tired.
100 meters?
No, ma'am, I don't want to run.
150 meters?
No, ma'am, I don't want to run. I'm tired.
You don't want to run?
Yes, ma'am, I don't want to run. I'm tired.
Okay. So tell me, you don't want to die, right?
No, ma'am, I don't want to die.
I like the sound of that. No one wants to die, but we all want to see God.
Yes.
I'll help you. Today's your lucky day. What can you do for me so I won't kill you?
Anything you want me to do, ma'am, I will do for you.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. Anything.
Now straight.
Come on, guys.
Come on, point. He down the street. Come down the street. Good boys.
Allow him. Allow him. No, hold it. Hold it right there.
Yes.
Stay down, sir. Now slowly get up. Stand.
Okay, get up.
Don't touch him next time. Just allow him. You know, no, I said hold it.
Okay.
Don't get me angry there.
Yes, ma'am, sorry.
Here's what you do for I and my girls. Huh? I need you to give me a striptease. I mean, dance for me slowly while you strip.
I should dance.
So
come on, dance, let's see, okay.
What are you doing?
I'm dancing, ma'am.
I said slowly.
Okay.
No. Let's see, okay.
Hold it.
No, this is when
I mean, slowly, like,
Yeah.
Twerk it.
Yes, exactly.
Twerk it. Baby,
Go
twerk
on,
it.
go on.
Baby, twerk it.
Now,
Zuzu,
slowly remove the
twerk.
shirt. Yeah.
Baby,
go.
twerk.
Zuzu, I mean,
baby,
let's take
twerk.
it down low a bit. You wind down low, 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 low. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes. And
Slowly. That's it, baby.
maggot.
Is he okay? Sure, so this man don't die.
Clear the mess.
This man never. Sure, so this man don't cry like this. They clear me, huh? I don't want to see his face. It's okay, Alpha. You can cover his face. I don't want to see.
I am here for your boss. And where is your boss?
I swear I don't know. I don't know.
You think I'm joking? For the last time. I said, where is your boss?
I don't know. Please don't harm me. I don't know, please.
You don't know. So your boss entered this campus. Begin to flex her muscles like a man, right?
No.
Okay. I want to let you know this. Your madam go collect. She will collect because she has tempted with our cartel, babe. So she will collect enough. And you know what? As long as I didn't see her, I will use you as a scapegoat.
No, please, I'm too young.
Shut your vocal cavity.
Please, I'm too young to die, please.
Oh, you are too young to die. Hellfire, receive the old and the young.
No, please,
You
don't.
will be a text message to your madam.
Please.
Babe, what is it now? Eh? Listen, you really have to be careful. Next time, barging in my room like that.
Who is in this room?
Trust issues.
Babe, search this room. Kill anything you find here. Alright. Nobody's there. No one. Have you not heard? Have you not heard that buffon of a lecturer humiliated me? Caesar, why have you not done something? Are you waiting for me to scream out my lungs before you tear her into pieces and make her understand that I am the queen of this campus?
My boys are on it. Immediately I received your call, they made a move. So relax. They will get her.
Good. I know what you can do. I want her body chopped into pieces. Do not fear.
I am King Caesar. And anything for my lady. Anything for my queen? Consider it done. I have told you to calm down. My boys will get off. I know that. Just relax. And allow Caesar to do his job.
She's mortal. She's not invisible. Her name is Fina, a lecturer. Oh, Fina the fearless lecturer. Oh, Fina the fearless lecturer. Fina the fearless lecturer.
Now wait till my hide this so.
Are you guys sure this is the right place?
This is the house. I am 100% sure.
Then why the police here? Why? Now calm down. No throw away fire. Open fire for this man. What they sub here now? Oh, throw away the note so that we penetrate this house.
As you don't talk, now so it could be.
Please, so. Namina, why story?
Danga, you say police? Everybody leave there now. Mr. Idaosa is dead. Retreat immediately.
See, guys, please, let's leave this place. Let's just go now. Let's leave.
Boys, we have an order to leave here now, but you still have to wait. I'll be right back.
A lady with class, intelligent lady. She does not take nonsense.
That's all right. That's okay, Mr. Commissioner. I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot.
Chief, they killed him.
Oh. Wow.
Who could have done this to him?
That's so gory. Anyway, the police say he was found stripped down. I'm sure they will fish out the killers soon.
What did the doctor say?
The doctor says he was hit by a high-velocity flying object. That's basically a bullet wound.
What?
Yeah.
How?
Well, that's what the autopsy results reveal. In the meantime, you need to call our daughter. Call her right now, okay? In the meantime, I'll have to speak to the family of inside the house. I'll be upstairs.
She's classy, diligent.
Sweetheart, you should be here by now. Have you not seen the escort? Have you not seen Tony? Please, come back home. We are worried. Come back, sweetheart.
Fina the fearless lecturer.
So like this now, Esho they don't move for. Don't buy.
The question is, who could have done that?
Not true. That question legit. Who do one?
That serves him right. He's always supporting Barbara and her girls. Because she fits him with her girls. Well, I am waiting for an important death news. Not this one.
I said I would see you. What's your problem? But I've told you not to call me. I'll be the one to call you. Listen. Listen. Mr. Idahosa is dead. The police request my presence. Just let me sort these issues out, okay? That's fine. I'll call you back later, okay?
Darling, she is on her way.
Who? Our daughter?
Yes, our daughter.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
What is going on? What kind of problem is this? I don't know what is going on.
No.
What is going on?
Take it easy, take it easy. Everything will be fine, okay? Everything will be alright.
Do you promise?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
The head of department of mass communication in Auburn is dead. I mean your HOD.
I know. I saw the viral video this afternoon. May his soul rest in peace.
Amen. And here comes the need for us to protect you.
Mr. Inspector, I am not comfortable with your policemen hanging around my gates. I'm not saying I don't need a service, but there are other vulnerable people, like some lecturers in the school, who needs to be protected at all costs, even the Vice Chancellor.
Dr. Miss Fiona, right?
Yes.
I understand you have your license gone in your custody upon your return from abroad. Things are done differently here. Who knows, you might be the target. From my findings, I understand that you have stepped on the toes of some bad boys and bad girls ever since you became the lecturer in Auburn. Believe me, this is the more reason why you need our protection, the services of my men.
Mr. Inspector, I already spoke to the Commissioner of Police in this state. I'm serious about what I told him.
So, you maybe we should, exit your premises?
Yes, please. I don't want your policemen hanging around this estate. I don't want to create an unrest atmosphere for the people in this estate. So, yes.
Yes, I asked my men to retreat. The question here is, who killed Mr. Idahosa?
And how can you be asking me about that?
But you have informant on the ground.
I don't. I really don't care to know. I only want to teach that lecturer a good lesson.
Well, I think the death of Mr. Idahosa has to do with Barbara and that female lecturer.
What do you mean?
That is why I'm called King Caesar. Did you not hear the fight that happened in your department today? Dr. Fina slapped Barbara and walked her out of the class. And I think you and Barbara have a common enemy now. Yeah.
A common enemy?
Yes. You can use this opportunity rather. Once my boys strike Dr. Fina, everyone would think it's Barbara. perhaps she will not get out of this.
And?
You will take over your leadership, and no one, I mean no one, will be able to stand on your way anymore.
You see these girls, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. You see these girls, oh, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. Yeah, me, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. They're hopeless, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. You see these girls, oh, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. Yeah, me. Yeah, heartless, dangerous and brutal.
That your father owns this school. You have no right to come into my office, sit on my chair without my permission.
Well, first off, I don't need your permission. What I think you should do is ask me pertinent questions. I am a really busy person. So for the fact that I took out time from my busyness to sit in this office, you should be appreciative. Trust me.
You know, I'm trying so hard not to get provoked. Because I know my anger is not good.
Oh, dear lecturer, you're entitled to your emotions. Trust me on that. I understand you're still new. Over time, you get to know who Queen really is. Dear lecturer and project supervisor.
Copied. Your chapter 1 and 2 of this project is amazingly rubbish and totally out of context.
Oh, you just hurt my feelings.
Do I care? Listen, the importance of this project is on the effect of technology in this society. But looking at this project, your writing is whack. No display of intelligence. You're dumb. And you know what? I'll help you. Your project topic is cancelled. Meet the departmental clerk for a new topic. Get out of my office. Out now.
This emergency meeting for a purpose. I know one come there they cap plenty talk. As it did right now, my head they bust, my dada they. You get one lecturer they bust my brain. What did she do? Me, the Lord and Queen of the Red Sea. She know they fear. Ah! I wish I know they fear face. But I don't want to talk plenty. First of all, I want to tell you now, thank you. For those of you who honored my invitation, I know say you know easy on such a short notice. I salute you now.
Thank you, we gallant.
Mora! Hey! Mora! Hey! Mora! Hey! Mura!
My lord.
I shall empower you. I want you to watch her every move. And I want you to bring back reports of every single detail about her. Do you understand me?
Yes, my lord.
Mora!
Hey!
Mora!
Hey!
I shall give her a little more time. And if she continues her stupidity towards me, then she shall feel my steel. Red Sea Queens!
Red and bloody!
Red Sea Queens!
Red and bloody!
We all know the lecturer I'm talking about. Do you know the lecturer I'm talking about?
Yes, my lord.
Not be to the cap, they say yes, my lord.
Yes,
You know lecturer
lord.
where they talk
Yes,
about.
my lord. Yes,
Her name
my
na
lord.
Fina. Repeat. What will be her name?
Fina.
Red Sea Queens!
Red and bloody!
Red Sea Queens!
Red and bloody!
Red Sea Queens!
Ruggedity is our identity.
Barbara, you will need to calm down. Give me some time, let me talk to her. Trust me, at least. Have a seat.
Trust? That's an expensive word. I do not trust you, you bastard.
Barbara!
I want my project supervisor to change with immediate effect if I kill that nitwit of a lecturer.
Look, Barbara, like I said, you need to calm down. Allow me handle this my way. I will talk to her.
How many of my girls have you slept with? H.O.D. My mother gave you everything you've ever needed. She even gave you charm to get to the point you are in this school. I run this school. Do not push me. I will not come here to repeat myself next time. I won't warn you again.
Barbara! Barbara!
Dangerous and brutal.
What kind of a girl is this?
Yeah, heartless.
I don't want
Dangerous and brutal. Yeah, heartless. Dangerous and brutal.
Yeah. Fina, come to my office right away. Yes.
This girl so yeah, heartless. Dangerous and brutal. Yeah, heartless.
If I understand you correctly, you're saying I cannot change my project supervisor. Mr. Idahosa, you called me this late at night to plead with me to accept that little brat of a lecturer.
I don't know. But you can see that I'm doing my best.
Are you high on something? What do you mean by I cannot change her? Yet you have the guts to change my girls at will just to enjoy your stupid, wretched life. The VC is involved? What?
Yes. It's okay. Can you just come to my office tomorrow morning?
You know what's clear to me? There's a catch. You, Mr. Idahosa, are interested in that little hole in between her legs. Since she has sworn to face me, it pleases me to announce to you and mark my word that her blood will be upon your own head, because I will wipe her off the surface of this earth.
So, do you know you kept me waiting at this hotel room for hours? Oh, it's alright. For that singular reason, you are going to fail my course. Yes, I promise you that. You kept me waiting all day. There's no problem. You will pay for this dearly. I promise you that. What nonsense. We shall see. There's no problem.
Yes, VC, I would love to come to your office. What do you mean you won't be around? Sir, you need to attend to me first. You are obligated to attend to me first. It's Barbara speaking. Perfect. Now listen, I've seen your type before. You're not a gangster compared to where I'm coming from. You have no slight idea what Oxford University gangsterism, where I acquired my master's, is about. If you dare me, I'll teach you a lesson. I will humble you. If they feel me, I will train you. I will make you feel like a nobody because you're nothing. I am your project supervisor. So go back to project 1 and do your assignment. If you provoke me again, you will not like what I'll do to you. Get out! Well, Professor. Firstly, Professor, first rule of gangsterism is do not overexert yourself. As a master's degree holder from Oxford, you should know that already. But if you want me to school you, then you should pay for special classes. Secondly, who the hell are you? That even the Vice Chancellor is afraid of you. Everyone fears you. Who are you? You dey mad. You dey crazy. If you don't get your trashy self out of this place, I will beat you black blue. Now, get out! Relax, Professor. No one is bantering words. Fool! Don't fool! Relax, Professor. Relax.
Barbara, open field for this lecturer. On plasma for this woman now. What's up? Open field for her and waiting be her name again. Queen.
Queen them now.
See, let I tell you. You don't know your word, but I go tell you. You are the greatest. You are the great leader of the Red Sea Queens. No, they give these people morale, I beg.
See, Lord, may I tell you something? Now you be the evil one. The dangerous queen. Why are you missing now? Eh? Why you don't be like no be you again, no? See, make I tell you, this whole thing don't be like me like say you don't tamper justice with Mr. You know, Jay, it no make sense at all. Show them say that you be dangerous sequence.
Relax. Come on. The simplicity of a cat doesn't make it stupid. You see that lecturer? She'll get what's coming to her. As for Queen, I shall wipe her off the surface of this earth.
Confirm.
And she won't even see it coming.
Confirm.
And that's a promise.
Now we they talk. If they stop today, they stop tomorrow.
So class, our today's discussion will be on concept of investigative reporting in journalism. A big drum for your head. I mean, you won't die anytime soon. May that alarm the ring like right now. I want the film. Young lady, the next time you try this nonsense in my class, I will deal with you. Be warned. They follow their body, they talk. I want them and my leg. They confirm the alert right now. You they cruise. I mean, they whip that up on your score. Guys, send that money. 5 million. Make 1 year and not. Get out. This is my class. This is my career. You will not ruin it for me. If you think you are above this class, get your bleaching face out of this place and never show yourself. Yeah. Madam, may you dey relax now. Which one be bitch if you know you see baby face? Now baby face be easy. And they talk our respect. Which in cream they go? So you worry this one. Madam, they calm down. My people, I
I am going to deduct 20% from all your results. For your exam, for your test.
That's what you all do right now, so you don't dare.
Sequins,
red and bloody.
Sequins,
red and bloody.
Sequins,
ruggedity, our identity.
So you said before she slapped you, the ring didn't work on her. I mean, the one you had on.
That's exactly what I said, Mother.
This is strange. Very strange. And you say you no longer have access to her.
Aren't you listening to me? I just told you that the police are protecting our house. Just, you know what, do this, let me just get out of this place, please.
One more question. Barbara, did you sleep with any man while you had that ring on?
Yeah, yes, I mean, with a politician. But come to think of it, the last money I sent to you, how do you think I got it?
How can my own daughter be this stupid? You spoiled the charm. Yes, you did. You know very well you were not supposed to sleep with any man while you had that ring on, and yet you did. Yes, you spoiled the charm.
Instead of chastising me, why don't you just go ahead? Do what you're supposed to do. Fortify me. Let me vanish. Go to her and just grab her neck and squeeze the life out of her.
Quiet! Quiet! Barbara, you have to be very careful. You must not sleep with any man before you attack her.
I know that already, ma'am.
Good. You must not eat anything that contains red oil.
Waski. Which kind of problem is this one now? I know that already. Am I here for any jam instruction?
Fine. You haven't told me why you killed your head of department.
Why are you concerning yourself with my issues? Since you're this inquisitive, fine. He died out of pleasure.
Barbara, you have to be careful. Very careful.
Always. I am careful. Ekedi! 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 Don't make me call you again.
What is it? Speak. I am busy.
I could not end a miserable life in her sleep, Mother. She overpowered me. She almost killed me. What's going on?
Don't tell me my own daughter could not defeat a common lecturer. What are you insinuating, Barbara?
You should be ashamed to invite me for such conversation.
Mama.
You have all it takes. So stop disturbing me.
I just told you. She almost killed me.
Are you doubting the potency of my powers? Don't even think of inviting me to battle your lecturer.
But Mama, come on.
I will not fight your battle. If you think she's bigger than you or more powerful than you, then let her be.
No! Never. I can't and I won't. I am the leader of the Sea Queens. I won't let her overpower me. I will not bow to a mere lecturer. Dr. Fina must die. She must die. I'll kill her. I'll kill her. I am the leader. She'll get what's coming to her.
You are not ready for studies. You are only ready for distractions. Yeah, these girls are trouble. They are shame. They are only looking for war. Information, troubles every day. They are looking for war. Information, killing is their favorite. You see these girls, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. You see these girls, oh, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. They are mean, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. They are hopeless, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. You see these girls, oh, they're heartless, dangerous.
Malego, please don't kill me now, please now. Stop, please don't kill me now. Madam, I beg, don't come. Please don't kill me now, please, please, don't kill me, madam.
Where is your madam?
Inside, madam! Madam!
Will you quiet?
Yes, sir.
Do you know your madam is a mad woman? Kerosene don't finish for her.
Yes.
So you too mad.
Yes.
Like this will dead fit you.
I'm gonna beg now. Please don't give me now, please don't give me.
Dagger,
have fun.
Fall inside our house. Drag any human being where you see. And as for that idiot, drag him out. You could disembark more for here.
They use police rejecting us. I will rule. What's happening? No! What's happening?
My leg!
Are you okay?
I'm not getting shot. My leg.
I'm coming.
Para. Toy! Waiting on the captain saw me. Say that I don't fall, I be waiting. Where you there? Woman bring her color for dagger. Where are they? No, make una keep me waiting up now. Why don't you keep me quiet? Una the man. Colorado, waiting up. I won't hear them. Muna play me the tape. Now when my head now, they don't twist me. Make una tell me waiting up.
Na so it's song. Na so it's song. We don't even know say the woman
don't even ambush us. The next minute when I go here, now to loot that color like this, throw away that girl, my bassy.
Child! As I heard the blast, my head won't bones. That's why I can't see that girl. I want mad! I tell you mad! Now I see that girl one leg. I see that girl one leg, the papa girl! Look at those family,
you never go to the mom? Are you to the man? You never! You all of them! Woman! Woman with a piece! With a better the piece! Pointed gun! Kill my dagger, my man's man! We're not a man!
Papa, we sorry.
Oh, punish all of you!
We sorry. We sorry. We sorry. We sorry.
You're mad! All of you are mad! You're mad! I said you dead there! If you see what I see, you say if you go drama, I make you for no forget. Say Haraki, supersede you. But forget the thing and final destination. Get out! Get out! Don't forget. Haraki supersede, but forget the thing and final destination. Get out! Get out! Get out! I think get out! Get out! Don't say she. Get out! Don't say she. Get out! Get out!
You are not ready for studies. You are only ready for instructions. Yeah, these girls are trouble. They are only looking for war, evil mission, troubles every day. They are looking for war, evil mission, killing is their favorite. You see this?
What about your man that was hit?
I've taken care of that. I called the hospital.
I think you should have shot him on the leg. Or somewhere else. That would have enabled us to know who sent him after you.
Inspector Jerry.
Yes.
I'll make your job very easy for you. Come with me. I need to show you my CCTV footage.
She does not take nonsense from anyone. If you want work, she go give you. If you want peace, she's ready.
So that's how they barged into my house and fired the first and second bullets.
And that got your attention?
Yes, I was reading when I heard the sound.
I see. That means we have 3 bad guys to apprehend. And thank goodness they were not masked. It shows that they were very confident in invading your home.
And would have killed themselves, you know.
I see. I would love to study the rushes of the footage to understand what really happened. Like you said, it's going to make my work easier. Who do you think is a prime suspect here? Is it Barbara or Queen or who we're suspecting?
I think you should find out yourself. I have stepped on the toes of both parties, so perhaps everyone wants me dead.
I see. That's all right. We'll take it up from here. Just be safe. Be careful.
Thank you, Inspector Jerry. Let me see you off.
All right. Thank you.
She's mortal. She's not invisible.
You need to call the ambulance unit. We have to evacuate this body from here right away.
I've called them already. On their way coming.
Good.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please, can you tell us how it all began? And if there is anyone after your life?
For now, no. But I know there are lots of foes around.
Okay, ma, due to this incident, do you think you will still continue with your job as a lecturer or you are going to quit?
Right now, my job is priority. Quitting is not an option. I know the atmosphere is quite tense, but I'm not scared of anybody.
Okay.
That'll be all for now, please.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll be at the gate.
All right.
I'll have to be at the gate.
All right, Inspector Jerry.
You take care of yourself.
I will.
Be safe.
Okay.
Sir.
She actually has a gun. She almost killed me. So she killed Dagger.
So that woman who moves around with gun, you never told me. You never told us. How dare you? How dare you? How could you?
Excuse me? You don't come to my house and yell at me. You wasted time. This is long overdue. But you decided to do things your stupid way. Do you think I am happy about this failed mission? Do you? Babe, you just have to calm down, okay? Just chill. Oh, please, don't tell me to calm down. That lecturer is still alive. Do you know she's my project professor? What? I just found out. Gosh. Guess it's not good for me.
Look, it wasn't easy for us. We have lost a great personality. And I believe the police is after us now. We have to pipe low so we can strike back. In fact, we need to use OTY's number 6.
You must do something real quick. And my father must not know that I'm part of this plan.
Oh, sure. But that's not what we're talking about. We all need to be silent. Now we know she has a gun. We need to use our number 6 OTYs.
I think he's right, you know. We just need to trade with caution.
Yeah, I think so too.
All I know is that this woman must go down. I, Caesar, must see her corpse. I must bring her down. And I don't care who goes down with her. I must see her corpse.
Well, I'm so happy they failed. And Dr. Fina, thank you for your bravery and for keeping up with the image of my institution. I am grateful.
Thank you, sir.
That's good. Inspector Jerry, how's the case coming up?
Yeah, Chief. So far, massive arrest is going on. And also a curfew has been placed everywhere around the school premises. And my team is really searching for those bad guys. And definitely we are going to match up with them and we'll surely bring them to book. Justice must be served.
Justice. That's important. All right. That's very good to hear. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Sir, I wish to take my leave now.
That's okay. Again, I would like you to know that I'm so happy, so grateful the evil ones did not succeed with their plans. Okay?
Okay.
You'll be fine.
Okay, ma.
And don't forget, Dr. Fina, if you need anything at all, do not hesitate to let us know, okay?
I will, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's okay.
Chief, I have to be on my way.
I'll see you around.
Right.
You too, it goes for you. If you want any assistance, let me know.
It's all right. Have a great time.
I'm happy the way they're going about it.
She's mortal. She's not invisible. Her name is Fina, a lecturer. fearless lecturer, lecturer. Oh, oh, oh. Fina the fearless lecturer, lecturer. Fina the fearless lecturer, lecturer. Fina the fearless lecturer, lecturer. She's classy, diligent in her work. Fina the fearless lecturer, lecturer. She is fearless.
Darling.
Yes, love.
You're not sleeping. What's the problem?
I don't know. You know, there is something about Dr. Fina. I mean, the young lecturer at Auburn. Ever since she came here, my heart has been restless.
I don't understand.
Me neither. You know, ever since that young woman came here, I've been having these dreams. You know, a kind of deja vu that reminds me of my youthful days back at the university. I don't understand it.
When you were at Oxford?
Yeah, while I was still at Oxford. There's something about her that reminds me of my Oxford days. I don't understand it. I can't get it. I can't place a finger on it.
And how? How does it? I mean, what's the link between your old university life to the lecturer? I don't understand.
I don't know. I really don't get it. But I'm sure that there has to be a nexus. There has to be a form of link. There's something. I don't get it. I'm just so bothered. Oh.
Honey, baby, you need to sleep.
Oh, yeah.
You need to lay this to your head. Come on. Come on, baby. Come and sleep, yeah? Sleep. You need to rest. Sleep, my baby.
The doctor said you'll be fine. I will do everything to make sure you stay alive.
You need to live your life. You have suffered enough for my sake since your childhood.
Mama, I'm not suffering. I'm about to be a doctor in my studies. I'm not suffering at all.
Just allow me to go. Allow me to bless you and go. But after you shall not suffer. My protection will always be with you. You know I love you. The eyes of enemy shall never see you. They shall never see you. Please.
Mama, you promised you were going to be alive to see me graduate. That's what you promised me.
Go to my box. The picture of your father is there. And every information you need to know about him.
Mama, you're not going to die. I'm not saying amen to that. You will not die. Mama, 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 no, Mama, Mama, don't do this to me now, Mama, Mama.
Bluebird. Ojo, don't embrace Bluebird. I don't understand. How? Palestine, as I dey gap you like this so, that no day to the waste. As it stands now, Palestine, we need to sapa the army. We need to do ama before they like the chaos. Isa, what of Tijani? No tinker. Isa. What's on your life? I said, fighting up people to Emma. In the gas streets. Fighting up it. They play. I said, police. Don't embrace Bluebird. Duty, you. Time no day to waste too.
No. I'm not backing here. I must do my goddamn mind.
Dagger, don't go. She wasted Dagger. Right in her house. Abi, you know hear the news. The news they fly everywhere. They smell for campus.
I know. Queen sent those boys. You see that small witch? That small girl mind pin my man Caesar for inside house. Come begin enjoying power. But you see that oak? You know full of agenda. I don't care if she kills all of Caesar's men. Don't no concern me. I'm on a separate mission.
See, Mama, if you ask me, I will say me will just me for now. Me will me low. You get why? Because of police. I beg.
No one is laying low. No one is backing down. No one. What do you think? You want to jump ship right now? Is that what you have in your little head? I am not scared of any police. Ruggedity is my identity. I don't care about the police. Do you know who I am? Do you know who my mother is? That girl, we will teach her a lesson she won't forget in a hurry. We are going to teach her a lesson that she will never forget in a hurry.
See, my own be say nobody go jump ship. They carried fight. Go meet her for a caban. Don't assault. Ekelebe full everywhere. You go carry fight. Go meet her for a caban. Ekelebe full everywhere. Ekelebe full street. Oh, see, make I tell you. Sometimes you get juju. We dey respect confirm. Babe, no. I dey tell you. No, I don't talk. No one laugh. Dr. Fina, what is wrong with you? I mean, I apologize, but you shouldn't be around the school compound without your security. You can get killed.
Kamara, how are you?
I'm not fine.
Mom, you're being stubborn. This is not the abroad. I mean, okay, I am sorry, but you're endangering your life and it's not right.
Correction taken. See me in my office. Nice dress, by the way.
Thank you, Mom.
What are you saying? No, now, tell me, how could you? I mean, you are endangering your life for all this. What do you tend to gain from what you're doing?
What is hazards or reporting then? As a prospective journalist, you need to take risk to get a story or event. This is raw fact. I saw it. Her evil spell did not work. You know I told you I'm investigating a lot in this school.
I know, Linda. You have to be very careful. You have to be very careful. I don't know if you know what you're doing.
Relax, Sandra. I am.
So tell me, what do you tend to do now? I mean, with the clip you have on your phone, what do you want to do with it?
How many times will I tell Sandra to relax? Relax. You know what? We need to get going right now. I have a lot to do with that story. Do you know we can make good money from this? I mean, good money. You as a scriptwriter here, you make a good movie, sell it. Do you understand?
You're right. And I will tell you, you have to be very careful.
I am careful.
Be very careful. Please, because I don't know, you prove so stubborn.
Let's go. We are wasting time. You called the police?
Yes, ma'am, I did. I knew such would happen. Barbara is a dangerous student.
Leave that to me.
You shouldn't be here without security.
Your father wants me to be the next head of department of mass communication.
I don't understand, ma.
I saw your picture in Chief Woods' house. A large frame.
He's my father. I'm the only child of Chief Wilson. But I don't need to tell the whole world that my father owns this school. I'm only here for my masters.
Interesting. So Queen Odefe claiming to be...
Ma, please forget about her. I think she was the one that sent those boys to invade your house.
Well, it's okay to think or guess. I want you and Uche to do me a favor.
Anything, ma.
Now do something, Mama. What's up? I think they up now.
I command you to wither now.
You said wither. Mama, let's say this. Make me move. Mama, what will happen? Rearrange them. Make me come for you.
Don't come any closer to me. Don't come close. Don't come near me.
Run a madness now. What's up now?
Let's see, okay. Just wait. Ow! I beg. I surrender. Mama, what's up? I surrender. I don't. Mama, what's up? Why did you feel like this? I beg, Mama. I beg.
What is hello? I said you should hold on. Are you out of your mind? Hey, Queen. What's wrong with you? Have you got bonkers? How dare you? How come you are commanding me as if you're my wife, Queen? Where is that coming from? So, you have a hand in the murder of So then you sent men to attack and kill her, right? Do you know I can get you arrested, Queen? Do you realize that I can get you prosecuted for this? Answer me! You parade yourself as my daughter on campus, yet you fight a lecturer I employ, the staff of my university. You fight a lecturer who is only trying to make you sit up, who is trying to make you a better person. Queen, why? Queen. I don't know. Let me just talk to you later, okay? Yeah, I'll talk to you later. I'm home, eh?
Mama, I don't feel believe my eyes within the soap. This is unbelievable. Within the soap now. It don't make sense, so.
My girl, I'm in a state of flux right now. I'm confused and shocked. You don't cast, Cindy, my girl.
See, Mama, I tell you, we need to come out this place now. We need to go see your mama now. No, go see your mama now.
You don't cast. Mother don't cast.
You can take her.
That's fine. I found out you spent your childhood in the barracks. Is that why you're very confident of your safety?
Inspector Jerry, can this conversation come up some other time? This young student and her gang tried to attack me with some rubbish fetish ring.
Barbara, allegedly.
You know her?
Yes. I'm also making my own underground investigations.
Are you not going to arrest her?
Sure, we will. But for now, she's on the run. We'll definitely get her. And she'll be made to answer some questions. And the truth will be out. We're still investigating.
Just take this thing out of my house.
That's fine. Thank you for making my job easier.
It's okay.
And you, I am going to deal with you.
See, guy, sorry, police. Not me get that ring, oh. Not me. I use ring on you. I will scatter this shrine. I will scatter everything here. It's of no use.
Babe, calm down now. Be coming down first. Calm down.
Didn't you listen to the rubbish question she asked me? Asking me what happened. Everything happened, mother.
everything went wrong. This stupid ring doesn't work. None of it works. The useless simp of a lecturer grabbed my girl, and I'm very certain she will confess to the police. She's going to expose us, including you, mother.
I don't understand. Am I schooling with you?
Why include me? Really? Who is feeding me with juju? Tell me. You think if the police catches me today, I will not tell them you are my backbone?
Please, this is not why we are here. Hey, babe, calm down first. Mama, beg, do something. We need your help. Anything. Make Eva not go expose us. So. I beg, Mama, this is the time you have to come in. You have to step in. This station has to go down.
She's already been in. She has always been in. Why ask her to step in now? From the start, she has been there. This is the time I need you to prove yourself, mother. Show me you still have some powers left. That you're not just sitting there like a cartoon and watching everything unfold. Show me that you are still the fearless witch doctor to be alive. The fearful one that I've always known. Prove yourself, mother.
Idali idabo. Obu onye mbosi ndu na-atọ ya ụtọ. I have killed your friend Eva. And as for the lecturer, I will visit her as you have said.
You need to go wash up.
Thank you. How did you do it?
I spoke to my daddy.
Once again, thank you.
I hate to back out.
I know.
We need to team up and avenge the death of your right-hand man, Dikeh.
You are the queen. I know why I chose you.
I know. I'll be here. I'll let you to freshen up. Then I'll take care of you.
I'll be right back.
I'll be waiting.
She's mortal. She's not invisible. Her name is Fina, a lecturer. Oh, Fina the fearless lecturer. Oh, oh, Fina the fearless lecturer. lecturer. Finally fearless lecturer, lecturer.
Who are you? How did you get in here?
I can see you are fearless. But a child who wishes to dance the dance of the spirit must know that surugede is not a dance for babies.
Madam Witchcraft, you just invaded my privacy.
You dare talk to me in that manner, I will make you fall asleep and you will wake up in the land of the dead. What is happening?
What are you trying to do?
What is happening?
Who you dey ask stupid question?
Who are you?
You dey mad? You no see any house go na my house. You think say witchcraft they catch me, they work for me. You don't ask question. I know well oh. What did they work this one? What is wrong with you? Huh? I'm not the ordinary lecturer. Go find out about me. Are you stupid? Wait, I dey come for you. Here she go. No, you for wait. I for run into your intestine. You dey mad. You dey whine. My house. It's okay. Mama, tell me. Tell me you killed her.
Is that lecturer? What powers are backing her? What planet is she from?
Tell me you killed her. Tell me you sent her to sleep to never wake up.
Wait.
Don't tell me to wait. I've been here expecting news. Do not tell me she defeated you.
I shall be back.
What do you mean? What does she mean I shall be back? Mama! It's crazy. You couldn't even defeat her.
Do you believe in witchcraft?
This is Africa, Dr. Fina. I was expecting this very question from you.
That's by the way.
What really happened?
You said the girl died?
Slept and never woke up, confirmed dead, tried to get information from her, but it was too late. You want to tell me something?
Not relevant.
Okay. Can we go on a date?
I'll check my leisure time.
It's dizzy, as you can see.
So the girl died under your custody?
Mysteriously.
And you believe someone might have killed her?
Do you expect me to arrest a witch doctor?
I didn't say that. I just asked if you believe in their practice.
But what I believe doesn't really matter. I'm a custodian of the law. I have to be somewhere right away.
Inspector Jerry, you have to be very careful, please.
Sure, I will. I will. I have to leave now.
Alright, take care of you.
I will, and you too.
Officer, you have to obey my request.
You have to follow us for questioning. You have to follow us to the station for questioning. All of you.
Officer, you be student too. I don't understand you.
I'm very much aware of that. But you must have to follow us.
Oh, wow. That's fine. Let's go. Officer, I'm going with you willingly. You don't need to cuff me.
Go back.
I know my rights, officer.
Go back.
I know my rights.
Go back.
I do know my rights.
Now, all of you move it.
Idale Dabo. Kalesia Kalesi. Alosia mo to efe. Ototi umo Colombia na to egumbago. Kai! I heard my daughter has been arrested. She must not be put behind bars. No! You have to do something. You have to do something. But why is my power not harmful to that lecturer? Why? What do I do? What do I do? That lecturer is not ordinary. What do I do? You can't fail me now. You can't fail me now. Not after all I have done. You can't disappoint me. Do something. Do something. You can't disappoint me. You will not disappoint me. You will not disappoint me.
Your mom is beautiful.
Thank you. Please sit.
Thank you. I'd like to meet her soon.
She's dead.
Oh. Apologies, ma. I didn't know.
It's okay. So, how has it been going? How are you doing?
I'm doing great, ma. I'm still on the assignment.
How far have you gone?
We are getting close. The HOD's death is a bit tricky.
Go on.
I think Queen is not.
I'm talking about Barbara.
But they've never had any fight.
Well, Barbara has denied all charges against her. She said a lot, and someone up there is buying it. Is buying what she's saying.
Has she been released already?
Of course. So I want you to channel all your energy on her and her gang and leave the rest to me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
A nobody. An ordinary, common lecturer. You couldn't even kill her. What have you been doing with your charms? Tell me, mother. Because you have embarrassed, shamed, and disgraced me.
Will you shut up? Quiet, silly girl. Do you know the calls I made? Do you know how long I consulted the gods to make sure you don't sleep in the prison? And the gratitude I get is for you to come here and spill this rubbish right in my shrine. Are you all right? You should be ashamed of yourself.
You should be ashamed of yourself, mother. Why should I be ashamed? Tell me. You were the one who couldn't even handle a mere baby toy lecturer. She messed up with all your powers, yet you sit there, look me right in the eye, and tell me what exactly? Between you and I, mother, tell me. Who should be ashamed?
Bet me. Bet me. I will destroy that girl. And when I do, I will come back for you for talking down on your own mother. Now stand up and get out before I make you mad.
Make me mad indeed. With powers that don't even work. Excuse you, mother.
Get out! Nonsense! Ah!
Your father owns this school?
Yeah, that's my kid, Daddy.
This your father?
Yes, that's my kid, Daddy.
It's okay. You know, I admire you a lot. You're very intelligent. I admire everything that you do. I admire the fact that you tell lies so easily. But you know what? This path that you have chosen for yourself is not good for you. It will ruin your life.
Listen, you are just a lecturer? Now, let me give you a little ranking. Do I say you are just an ordinary HOD, head of department? So please mind how you talk to me. You're not my daddy, you're not my mom, or my legal advisor. Stay off my path.
Take. Proceed to chapter 3 and 4.
She's mortal. She's not invisible.
Excuse me.
Her name is Fina, a lecturer.
What is this nonsense? This is rubbish. If you want me to attend to you, come to my office. I don't have time for irrelevant students like you. Very dumb.
This lecturer is not from this world. I mean, if she can still resist your mother's pass, like, if she's still breathing, no madness, nothing.
I fear, like mama, honestly, I fear. Like.
Now you be say wahala dey o.
But mama, if I may ask, what your mama dey do for this whole thing with the sub? Because if she still have the connection to release us from police custody, that means she's still in charge, both physically and spiritually. Huh?
You see that old woman? I'm just giving her more time. As for the lecturer, she has become such a terrible nightmare for me.
Not just you, but everyone.
But mama, I have an idea.
Tell me.
What if we join forces with Queen and her gang? Since we now have a common enemy, it go sharp. I mean, it go make sense.
So, babe, when are you going to fire that bully of a lecturer? Babe, she's not good. I've had enough of her nonsense in your institution. Just get rid of her already, please.
Are you out of your mind, Queen? Are you okay? You want me to fire a lecturer in my own institution? Why? Just because we're having an affair? Huh?
Baby, you don't get it? Dr. Fina is not...
It's what? What exactly? No, go ahead, Queen, tell me. Now, the boys who invaded Dr. Fina's house, you asked me to release one of them, which I did.
Baby, let me tell you something. You know, that guy is my cousin brother. Yes, and he's not part of whatever invasion that happened. You don't know him. Come on, he's not part of the invasion or whatever that happened.
Well, you know him, I don't. But you asked me to release him, which I did. Now, if you have a problem, if you have cause to settle with Dr. Fina, that's fine. That's your problem. It's got nothing to do with me. Absolutely nothing to do with me. Hope you understand that, Queen. Hmm?
Fine.
Is that all you say? Queen, are you walking out on me? Queen! Queen!
You see these girls, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. You see these girls, oh, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. Yeah, me, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. They're hopeless, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. You see these girls, oh, yeah, heartless, dangerous and brutal. Yeah, me, oh, yeah, heartless, dangerous and brutal.
Kamara, I just sent you some money, Kamara.
When will you stop sleeping with Queen?
What? What? Who is Queen?
The girl you bought a house and a car for. Don't worry, I understand. I'm not going to tell my mother. But she's been parading herself as your daughter in campus. Now I ask you, Daddy, are you sleeping with your daughter? You have to put an end to it now. Because it's long overdue.
Wait, Kamara. How did you find out about all these?
I know a whole lot you're not aware of. That girl is setting deadly traps for Dr. Fina.
What?
She's collecting money from you to end someone's life. And you sit here encouraging her? Really? I think I have to step in now. Someone is being so unfair to humanity.
Look, Kamara, I am sorry. I'm indeed very sorry. Please, Kamara, don't let your mother find out.
I am disappointed, to say the least.
Oh, Kamara! Kamara! Oh my gosh! What? Queen?
What do you want?
First, I want to see that thing you've been covering. Yes. Secondly, I think you should stop making deadly moves because the bullet will hit you because you are too young to die.
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. I shall have you when everything is over.
It's obvious you don't know me. Stop. Don't even try it.
Soon you'll know why I'm called Caesar. Even the Bible says, give what belongs to Caesar, and what belongs to God. You shall hear from me soon.
Yes?
She wants to show you something.
What? What?
Her best friend. She want Nelos. She dey work with the lecturer.
No, really. She wants to submit the clip and everything she has to the police and as well publish it as anonymous.
You still want to tell me something? You look worried. Are you okay?
Sandra, I just found out that Barbara and her girls killed our HOD.
What are you saying?
Shit. They killed him because of Dr. Fina, our new HOD. And again, Barbara and Queen are planning to reunite to fight Dr. Fina.
Do you know what you're saying? Are you serious? This information is too big. Oh.
I am the new version of Linda Ikeji blog. I got to get better money for this matter. Right now, I have to go quickly meet our HOD to inform her about their evil plans. But I don't think she's in the office.
Linda, you're overstepping your boundaries. Oh. Hey, I don't know, I'm warning you, but you don't want to listen. You're overstepping your boundaries. This kind of information is too big. Oh. Please. You have to be very careful. You're overstepping your boundaries. I'm warning you. You have to be very careful. This information is too big.
This is my passion. Journalism to the core.
Linda.
Sequins, red and bloody. Sequins, red and bloody. Sequins, ruggedity is our identity. Mama.
This bastard has a lot to earn.
A lot, Mama.
You are very smart. I give that to you. I saw the article you wrote about me. You titled it, and I quote, "The Sea Queen of the Great Sea Fraternity." Trust me, I enjoyed every single thing you wrote about me. Sadly, my mother demanded for human blood, so we could defeat Dr. Fina. Sequins,
Red and bloody.
Sequins,
Red and bloody.
Sequins,
ruggedity in our identity.
Behold the human sacrifice.
Oh shit.
Ma, do you want to kill her?
Of course, darling. Do you have a problem with that?
No.
Would you like to replace her?
No.
This world is getting scary every day. This world is getting scary every day. People are doing evil on daily basis. People are committing themselves without care about the outcomes. Defend the man. Corruption and waste
I said, go down in the crazy.
I'm done.
Like say they don't born you well. Like tell you now you do.
Mama, please, I beg you, name of God. Please don't kill. Please don't kill me, I beg you, please. I beg you. I'm too young to say, please. I'm the only child of my parents, please, I beg you. I beg you. Now, please, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
And that one you want, sir.
Shall we begin?
Okay, let's listen. Of course. Serving justice. You've brought nothing but shame, disrespect, disregard to me. You've humiliated me enough. No more. Rot in hell and I wait there while I get justice myself.
Mama, now may not be that too. What did you just do? Just fire Mama.
Clear that mess. Now.
Hi, beautiful. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Shall we?
Sure.
You are not ready for studies. You are only ready for distractions. Yeah, these girls are trouble. They are shame. They are only looking for war. Information, troubles every day. They are looking for war. Information, killing is their favorite. I see these girls, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. I see these girls, oh, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. They are mean, they're heartless, dangerous and brutal. They are hopeless.
Something keeps drawing me close to you, very close. Something I really can't place a finger on it, but you Never mind. Never mind. Kamara, you did speak to Kamara, right? You had a conversation with her.
Yes, sir. We talk all the time.
She says she wants to undertake a huge task, that she wants to achieve something very great in her career before she passes on.
Sorry, sir, but is she sick?
Yes. Very sick.
Oh my God.
She just got only but a few days to live. Or at least that's what the doctors say.
So I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's fine. Though I didn't ask for life to be this horrible and mean to me. I didn't. When she's gone, I'll no longer have anyone to call me father. All of this, no one to inherit them. Life is really a bitch, right? Yeah. I was hoping on announcing her vice chancellor of Urban University someday. But the world is not fair. It's not balanced. It's not, right?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
This world is getting scary every day. This world is getting scary every day. People are doing evil on daily basis. People are committing themselves. Corruption and waste to do evil is not ruling the world. Corruption, bribery and waste to do evil. Mind of people is poison. Corruption by corruption and waste to do evil. Always do evil. Why? Corruption.
I appreciate going out with a gentleman like you.
Tina, I've really thought about this. I couldn't think straight anymore. My heart beats for you. My head thinks of you. I just want you to give me the opportunity to be your man. And I promise you to protect you with the whole of my life. With everything I've got and everything in me.
Look, I feel groggy. Good night. Thank you once again.
So who is the bitch before looking was in the campus?
I got no time for that bullshit. All I need right now is for my men to be out of that prison. Listen, I can't be walking on the street empty.
Caesar, you should be grateful that I saved your ass.
Enough.
My daddy saved your ass.
Enough! Enough of that lies. Your sugar daddy, not your father.
What?
You think I don't know? Don't you think I don't know the game you're playing? Sleeping with Chief Wilson, telling the whole world that he's your father. We are all here to know if Chief Wilson's only daughter is in the school.
Caesar.
Listen, stop giving me that bullshit of a lie.
Caesar.
I want my men out of the prison. You know what? Just count me out. Count me out of this your game.
Danga will be so ashamed of you, wherever he is right now. He wants revenge, and not some bitchy talks.
I know. And I will do that. But not with you anymore.
What? Kamara, talk now.
You're the first man I've ever kissed. I feel happy. Let's go. Come on. I just wanted a kiss. Let's go.
The baddest. Hottest. The queen of the campus.
Yeah,
You are smooth, babe.
Look at that thing. Oh!
Here comes the church rats.
Yes. Yes. Hey, come here. Come back here. Come on, let me go. I said, come back.
Stop!
Yes.
Yes.
I'm gonna brush you now. Come on.
Move. Move it.
Move it. There.
Move it.
Hey, you retarded looking bitch. You daughter of no one.
You know, this girl looks so irritating and disgusting. She look like she needs some help. Maybe we need to take her to shopping, you know. Give her some beautiful, nice things to wear.
Yeah, I think.
I don't know, what's all this ragged wearing?
What's this?
Well, I just want to make it clear to you. Now I am warning you to stay away from my man. Next time, I smell a curves like yours, or anything that looks like you around him, I will skin you alive.
Maybe you should tell your so-called idiotic boyfriend to stay away from me. I have a boyfriend and I am happy. It is the audacity for me. Mbeke feeling funky.
I have a boyfriend. Maybe he should stay away from me. Hello, girl.
Can you girls just teach her a little lesson?
Right.
Yeah.
I think it's high time you knew that you are in danger. All of you. People should stay away from me. I'm not afraid of any of you.
Hey! So you see how mouth is up?
You are not ready for studies. You are only ready for distractions. Yeah, these girls are true.
Stop. Kamara, what is wrong with you? Do you want to die?
I'll die after all. What's there to be scared about?
What do you mean?
You must be very silly. All this while you never care to ask me why I'm always like this. Why I'm always all by myself. Calm and sad. But you know what? It's fine. I'll leave.
Kamara, wait. I thought it was just your person. Kamara.
Look, we need to raid her house tonight. Yeah, sure. And not just that. We gotta stay careful. We need to, do this thing, in a kunkum level. So trace no go day. How you see her?
It makes sense. Makes sense, that. The cocoa be say, how do we go about it? Because all fingers might point at us.
That is where our leader comes in. We just need to waste some bodies and litter it around, you understand? So you can't be like say now planting along the line where they confront each other, heavy fight and all that. And they...
So we don't need to finish them. It's interesting.
You're
that
point.
Seems interesting. Yeah, correct.
As it be now, who go feel now?
You see the as now Caesar go run now, you understand?
I don't understand. Why Caesar? Why not another person?
Because he's capable and you know it.
Why can't you say he's capable? Because he's looking at your madam's ass, right?
How dare you?
How dare? Are you mad? What do you talk?
You dey crazy? You dey mad? Guy, you go rest. You go rest.
What did they do yourself? You come on my car.
You dey mad? You dey
Kamara, what are you doing? I want you to sit back. The climate is not good for you.
Mom, you don't have to always remind me of the fact that I'm sick.
My love, I'm not. I'm just a concerned mother. I am worried and traumatized. You are strong, fighting a lot of battle, putting on smile and trying to put on a good look.
Mom, I'm late.
Kamara, I don't want you to leave your father's house. I want us to sit down and talk something good.
Can't I just have peace? Yes, I understand that I am sick. I am struggling to be alive and stay strong. Why can't you just leave me? Huh?
I love you. Kamara, mommy loves you. I have to be in school. Kamara! Kamara, where are you going? Why do you want to do this to me? Oh God! God, why? God, what? I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. My only daughter.
Kamara, God, please help me. God, help me. Kamara is my only daughter.
You're joking.
I got the information that girl is Chief Wilson's only daughter. That is your sugar daddy's child. Or will you doubt me?
This is unbelievable. Babe. How come?
What lies do you want to tell me? Or what lies do you want to tell me?
Caesar, that is not why I am here.
And I don't care why you are here. Listen! I want Colorado out! Tijani and Bluebird out of the cell immediately.
I don't have the power.
In that case, you don't belong here. Get out. Just listen to me. Get the girl. The father will meet up to my request with immediate effect. Yes, remember, no mistakes. No mistakes. Any attack, re-attack back. Make sure you get the target. All right, good.
Good. Is it that good? What happened? Nothing. I want her taken care of.
That's my girl.
Well, my opinion is, let's not be distracted.
Of course.
We're not distracted. I just did what I have to do.
Good afternoon, Dr. Fina. Good afternoon, sir.
Jesus! Jesus! Come here! Come here! Come here! Jesus! Somebody help! Kamara! Somebody help! Get medical help! Kamara! Kamara!
Now? Jesus. At what point did you get to this scene? Oh, this is not good at all. Damn it. Damn it. This is not good. Queen.
You bastard! You bastard.
Please, we can settle this amicably.
I'm glad you lost all your men. Rot in hell, you bastard. Rot in hell, you bastard.
My only daughter is dead. I'm finished. I am finished. What do I do? What do you want me to do? My only daughter. My only daughter. What will we do? My only daughter. Look at me! It's me!
Fina, when I slumped, the last thing I heard before I passed out was you screaming, "Dad, Dad." And then, as I eventually gave in to the unconscious, my youth came hitting back at me like reality. I am confused.
That's because you're my father. I've always known you were my father. My mother's name is Gertrude Ophili.
What? Gertrude?
May her soul rest in peace.
Oh.
I knew you were my father all this while. But getting into your institution, I realized there were lots of atrocities I needed to handle. The atrocities were too much, and I told myself that I will handle it before I finally introduced myself to you. And when I made up my mind to introduce myself to you, the ungodly incident happened.
So, you're truly my blood? Gertrude was your mother? Oh. I hurt Gertrude. I hurt her so deeply. You see, we were young lovers, teenagers in school at Oxford University. We really loved each other. But at a point, when she told me she was pregnant, I lost it. I was so scared of what my parents were going to do to me. I do not have a justification, but I ran. I had to run. I had to run. I never meant for this all to happen. And now, my past has come back to haunt me. I am truly sorry. Fina, please forgive me. Forgive me, please. I am deeply sorry. I didn't mean for any of this to happen. Oh, Gertrude. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Father, I already forgave you a long time ago. One of the reasons I came into this country was to reconnect with you and find my faith. But coincidentally, I saw myself working as a staff in your institution. Father, I forgive you. May the soul of Kamara and my lovely mother rest in peace.
Amen. Amen.
It's okay.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
It's okay.
I lost a daughter and aimed another daughter. Oh. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome, my child.
Welcome to Dikeh, and I hope you enjoyed your ride.
You killed my stepsister.
Free! You see they speak English.
We killed her sister. You are a mad girl. Don't worry. As a sweet girl when I be normally, I'll make this sailing so smooth for you.
Drop your weapons, all of you! Drop your weapons! Drop your weapons! Drop the floor! Slice it gently. 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 Now push it. Gently. And have it. Backward. You're under arrest! You have the right to remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you to God of God. Now, raise your hands! Are you okay?
Sure. Make a clear una. Initial gra, not be steez. Father, how are you?
I'm good. As you can see, I'm getting a whole lot stronger. Let's just say I am still kicking.
Chief, good to see you.
Same here, Inspector Jerry. It's nice having you here.
Yeah.
Mom, Dad, Jerry and I were getting married.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's great news. Beautiful. I'm happy for you though.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Chief.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Ma, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome into this family. We love our daughter so much, and I hope you will do well by her.
You see these girls, they're heartless, they're dangerous and brutal. You see these girls, oh,